Good evening, sir. Sir, what is the meaning of, according to you, what is the meaning of being a Muslim?
Very interesting. Most Muslims will have a convulsion if they listen to my answer. A Muslim is essentially a Jew who has adapted Judaism to Arab pagan culture. Now what does it mean? What is Arab pagan culture? Arab pagan culture is Hinduism incorporated deeply into from India into the tribal tribe. I'll give you two simple examples. The Hindus do 7 pheras around the lingam, and what do? We do counterclockwise. You have the male organ of creation. We do Hajj and we go and kiss the shape of a vagina, except we don't know what we are doing. So all we are doing is that the Muslims are doing ulta to what the Hindus are doing. And then why we are doing it? With the religion that we have taken from Judaism. Same monotheism, same rejection of anything, same prayers a day, same fasting, same enmity with the pig, same circumcision, the alliance of circumcision that brings interfaith people together, same head shaving, same top to bottom, same. And what does the Quran say, by the way, about the Jews? You will be given the land of Palestine. What do the Arabs say? The Jews are occupiers. Is the Quran right or the Arabs right? I say the Quran is right. The Arabs get upset. So, then it comes to who's a Muslim. A Muslim is a person who believes in essentially Tawheed, which means he associates no one with whatever the Creator is. Whether it's Om or whether it's Brahma, or whatever we call it, is one. Number 2, it gets down to simplicity. He pays an annual wealth tax, which hardly any Muslim does. Ye dard hone wali baat hai. Number 3, he has to pray to the Creator. It doesn't even say how many times. It doesn't even say how. Number 4, if he has money, he goes to Hajj. I think that was a last minute amendment to the constitution because the Arabs said, sir, aap ja rahe, hamara kya banega? Sadda ki banega? Unne kaha, lo inu na Hajj kara diyo. Oh, India government subsidize kar. India subsidizes Saudi Arabia. ऐसी उल्टी गंगा हमने कहीं नहीं देखी. बजाय इसके कि सऊदी अरेबिया सब्सिडाइज करे इंडियन पिलग्रिम्स को, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट कर रही है उनको. But last, you got to go hungry for a month to understand what the poor feels. इसमें किसको एतराज है इस्लाम से और क्यों लोग मुसलमान हुए? Because you know, from Java to Romania, wherever you go, you find that the Muslim ethos was you cannot lie. The Quran says you cannot, you have to tell the truth even if it destroys you, even if it is against your mother, your family. Truth is the essential. जो इंडिया का motto है क्या?
सत्यमेव जयते.
वो, that's Islam. ट्रैवलर्स चेक का कॉन्सेप्ट मुसलमानों का है. मुसलमान ट्रेडर साला झूठ नहीं बोल सकता था, उसकी रेपुटेशन खत्म. जैसे मारवाड़ी ट्रेडर्स का होता है आपस में, दिस इज कम फ्रॉम मुस्लिम ट्रेडर्स. इसने यहां IOU लिखा, वो कैश हो गया साला स्पेन में. हवाले का कंसेप्ट ये ट्रस्ट पे है ना. ये सब छोड़ छाड़ के साला जिहाद पे लग गए. जिहाद का है ही नहीं. हिजाब, जिहाद, निकाब, खतना, दंगा फसा आता ही नहीं है कहीं. All of this was written in Sharia, which I have explained, I can question is illegitimate. So when many of my friends become ex-Muslim, what do they contribute to? Nothing. उसने कहा हम मैच खेल रहे, गोलकीपर हम नहीं बनते. वो गोल हो जाता, वो क्राउड में जाके बैठ जाते. So they do nothing. If you want to change things, you will have to be a Muslim before you can counter these guys. ये हमको कहेंगे आप मुस्लिम नहीं हैं, तो फिर ये उसको भी कहते हैं कि वो आईसिस वाला भी मुस्लिम नहीं है. साला आईसिस वाला मुस्लिम नहीं, को पारसी है क्या वो? कोई वो हिंदू है? कहते नो 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 नो, इस्लामिक स्टेट, दे आर नॉट मुस्लिम. Why is there no Jew over there? Why is no Pandit leading a charge over there? I've never seen a monk over there. सबके सब मुसलमान हैं और सारे इंडिया के हालात निकले. That is not Islam. No, no, no. That is not proper Islam. But what is proper? Zakir Naik is, Maulana Madani is Islam. Owaisi brothers is Islam. Dara Shikoh was Islam. You cut his neck off. And you named a street after Aurangzeb. वो वैसे अच्छा किया, उसका मुंह काला कर दिया हमने.
Last question. So
Why can't it be a woman? कहाँ?
okay.
वो नहीं, there's a woman there. ये बहुत हो गया है.
So do you see that there is a possibility of ISIS mentality to come to the subcontinent?
It is here. What is ISIS mentality? ISIS mentality is that give us 15 minutes without police and we will wipe out these bastards.
What is
What is ISIS mentality that says that all Hindus get out of Kashmir and nobody stands up to protect them? Is it not ethnic cleansing or genocide? You wiped out the original Aboriginal inhabitants of Kashmir and drove them out. You made them refugees in their own country. Who did it? ISIS. ISIS is in Balochistan today fighting against the Baloch nationalists. ISIS is the one who is killing these Bengali writers, who by the way the West calls bloggers. Have you ever heard the term British bloggers? No. गोरा साला राइटर होता है, देसी हर ब्लॉगर होता है. हमारी कई किस्मत खराब, जो काम करते हैं वो भी नहीं हमें देते. So ISIS is here. If some mullah tells you they are not, that Indians are not contributing into ISIS, that's because the Arabs don't want the shit-colored people like us in their midst. That's why we are not there. It's not because we don't want to be there.